Well, we're well into day 2 of the wall construction. They're on level 2 right now, and they have put in the drain pipe, or better known as the French trench.
Hammer. In the hammer by your knee. Oh. Look down. I hate this level sometimes. It looks good. My bubble splits in two.
No, that might be good. The last one.
Oh.
These are 40, $40
$50, $40, something like that.
So either that was bigger than 100 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is smaller than I thought it was.
Yeah.
My dad? Yeah. Because I can't build this up here. Because my grit strike is going to keep sliding until we build it up.
Now they're backfilling it with the rocks that they took from the existing wall. And there's the boss up there, the overseer.
Alright, I'll try to pick him up, try to help him up.
Jay pushed him.
I think I would have to do that. They have the garage again, so
Day 2 is now complete, and they have the second wall in. They will be back again tomorrow for day 3. They're hoping to wrap it up, but they still got a long way to go, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Let's go down below and see what their progress is. They've put the drain pipe in both levels. Actually, level 3 is, the pipe is there. There are existing walls still here, and they have decided to leave them there as it will be support for the wall that will go in front of it. Right now, of course, it doesn't look like much, but when it gets completely backfilled and dirt put in here, it's going to look really nice. As we said before, the steps will be widened, and they will be widened to the edge of where you see the wall now. The steps will go in last, and that should be quite nice. The last wall to go in will be probably 6 blocks high, and the wall that you see, the old wall, will help support the new wall. This new wall is going to kind of make that drywall look a little shabby, but it's in good shape, so we're not going to replace it. If there's a bunch of blocks left over, I just may do it myself, but we will see that. We will see to that.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.